Ümit Özdağ is a Turkish politician and current member of the Grand National Assembly of Turkey. He was deputy leader of the Nationalist Movement Party from November 2015 to February 2016. He announced his candidacy for the party leadership for the 8th MHP Ordinary Congress in 2006 but had his membership revoked 2 days later. After returning to the party following a successful lawsuit, he again announced his candidacy for the MHP leadership in April 2016 for the 2016 Nationalist Movement Party Extraordinary Congress, which was eventually called off after numerous legal disputes. He had his party membership revoked by the MHP High Disciplinary Board on 15 November 2016, joined the 0Y0 party. In April 2019, he resigned from party's executive board but announced that he will continue to be in the party and continue his party-related activities. On 16 November 2020, Özdağ was also dismissed from the 0Y0 party. He founded the Victory Party on August 26, 2021 and was elected the first chairman. Ümit Özdağ was born on 3 March 1961 in Tokyo, Japan, where his father Muzaffer Özdağ served as a Turkish government advisor. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.